doing uncommon words from two sentences. A sentence is a string of single-spaced separated words where each word consists only of lowercase letters. A word is uncommon if it appears exactly once in one of these sentences and does not appear in the other sentence. Given two sentences, S1 and S2, return a list of all the uncommon words. You may return the answer in any order. Okay. So exactly once, exactly once in one of the sentences and does not appear in other sentences. This basically means that it's saying that this is pretty much the same as the word appearing exactly once in both of the sentences. So we could honestly look at both of these sentences as one big sentence, and then we simply have to return the words that appear only once in the sentence. Okay, interesting. And we want to return an array containing the words that only appear once. So what I'm thinking I can do is use a frequency map, so like a hash map, and then for each word in the hash map, I will have the word as well as its frequency. And then I will go through this array and insert each word into the hash map, along with this frequency, and then I simply need to go through my hash map and return the words that have a frequency of 1 in an array together. Yeah, that makes sense to me. Okay, so let me go ahead and code it out. First thing I'm going to do is hash map. So it's going to be string integer. So string is the word, and then integer is the frequency. We'll do frequencies equals new hash map. So we have our hash map. I think let's do this. Okay, so now okay, so S1 and S2 aren't necessarily the same length. Okay, and so these are actually sentences as opposed to I thought they were arrays of words, but they're actually sentences. So I have to actually convert each string into an array. And I can do this by doing string.split by space. Okay, so let's see here. I think I can do string words equals s1 dot split space. And then I think I can do words plus equals. Oh, I'm not sure if I can do that. I think I'm gonna just have to. We'll just do words 1, words 2. String words 2 equals s2 dot split. So I'm now getting both of these sentences into arrays of words. Now I want to go through words 1. So for int I equals 0, I is smaller than words 1 dot length plus plus. For each element in I, frequencies dot put words at I, and then so the key is words at I. The value is frequencies dot get or default frequencies dot get words at I or 0. Okay, I think this is right. So basically I'm putting into frequencies the key words at I, so the current word, and then as the value either the current so get or default is basically I'm either getting this value, so frequencies at words at I, or if that value doesn't exist, then I'm just doing 0. But I need to add 1 to this because I'm incrementing it. Okay, yeah, this looks good to me. Now I can just do the same thing for words 2. I can't really do them at the same time because they're not the same length. Words 2, and this is words 1. Okay, words 2, words 1. Huh. Okay. Okay, so now that I have, we'll do, we need to make an array list. So list integer and equals new. You can't just use a, we can't use a integer, we can't use an array because we don't know how long it'll be, but we can use an array list and then we'll convert that into an array after. But now that we have put every word from the 2 sentences into our hash map along with its frequency, now we can iterate through the hash map to then find the the words with only 1 occurrence. So for map dot entry string object integer. I think this is how you iterate through a string. Okay. If entry dot get value equals 1, sorry, this is actually a string. Ands.add entry.get key. So if the frequency is 1, we're going to add the key to our list. And now we just need to convert this back to an array. So I think we just do return ands.toArray. I'm not sure if this is how it's done, but let me give this a run. I'm sure I might get some errors, but let's take a look. Object array cannot be converted. Interesting. Okay, I think I need to do string final equals, string x equals ands.toArray return x. I think we need to do something like that. Okay, so I think I might need to do that. And sorry, this is actually a string. Let's give it a try now. Still getting the string array. I'm not entirely sure how I can do this. Let me search it up actually. How to convert array list to string array. So, okay. Okay, I think I just need to, maybe I need to manually do this. So, get the length. Okay, so let me just, so string x equals ands equals string dot dot size, so getting the size of the array, for I equals 0, I is more than x dot length, I plus plus x at I equals ands dot get I. Okay, I think maybe this will work. String array x equals string equals new string. Okay, interesting. Okay, this was a mistake here. Get. No, where's it? Wait, frequencies dot get. Entry.getValue equals 1. Huh. Otherwise, okay, so, it seems that we are. I wonder what the problem is. It seems it's just putting everything in. If entry.getValue equals 1 plus 1, put words 1 at I. Means to get rid of default 0. This 0 1. I wonder why it's not working the way I want. That's interesting. I'm properly iterating to the hash map. I'm properly creating the integer array. Ants dot add the key. So why is ants just holding everything and not the ones that only appear once? Let's go through this again. What's going on here? Okay, so getting both arrays of words, splitting them by space. We're iterating through words 1. Frequencies dot put words 1 at I. Frequencies dot get frequencies dot get words 1 at I. Okay. Dot get okay, I don't think we're supposed to get. We're just supposed to do get words 1 at I. Like we either get words 1 at I, and then same with here. I think we just get words 2 at I. We don't do. Okay. Let me give this a try. Okay, there we go. Got our cases accepted. Let's see if it works for everything. Perfect.